Okay, everybody, this is game 2. Jansen, Allen, Shai, Mansuri. Playing Chase, Robison, Wadsworth. Game 2, semifinals, open doubles, Tornado Alley Classic 2013, 39th annual. Shot. Great shot from Jansen. Great shot from Ethan.
2-0. He's on fire.
Yeah, right. I'd like to, at this given time, I'd like to introduce you guys to Leo Vasquez. Leo Vasquez is racquetball director at the Network Athletic Club. Also, post racquetball junkie for us. Quite a bit, racquetballjunkie.com. And
channel on enetlive.tv as well.
He is otherwise known as the man.
Blog.
So I just like to give the microphone over to Leo for a little while.
Are you recording it?
Yes, we are.
Nice.
And we'll give some commentary on the game. Thank you. I'm going to be just kind of working the camera here.
This is a great match between, and most people listening might not know this, but you have two players on the court that have represented their countries, that actually do represent their country right now. Shai Mansuri and Jansen Allen both play for their national teams, respective countries. I don't know if you can hear it, but you hear a lot of communication. You see the guys looking at each other, court position. And I'll tell you, I'm really impressed with Chase and Ethan.
Absolutely.
Based on just what I just told you, that they're playing up against two guys. Jansen plays for Team USA. Jansen won the collegiates. He's the reigning collegiate champion, which also qualified him for the U.S. national racquetball team. And then Jansen also won the national doubles in the field.
Skip.
So there was an appeal. Guys lost their appeal. 3 serving 2. Ethan Wadsworth serving. Nice shot. Reverse pinch on the other side where everyone was standing.
Blocked everybody out. Very effective shot.
Chase comes up, tries to cut it off.
Back.
Uh-oh,
Great hands.
Oh, nice. Corner crack in the back for Ethan.
Something I added in game 1 that we haven't talked about in game 2 is Jansen is coming off a huge win last weekend at National Doubles where him and Tony Carson won the entire thing. So confidence is high. This game's looking really good. These young kids are on fire.
The only thing is you say that Jansen's confidence is high, but Ethan and Chase have absolutely nothing to lose.
Absolutely.
So they're going to go out and they're going to swing hard, fast,
right.
Because they know that even if they lose, they lost to two guys that are on their national teams. But if they win, it'll be the biggest win of their racquetball amateur career.
So far, yeah. Earlier yesterday, Chase was playing Shai Mansuri in open singles and beat him respectfully in 2 games. Solid win for Chase. Chase has some big wins under his belt right now. Like I was saying, the game, I see big things from Chase. Ethan is playing some incredible racquetball. And last weekend at the Metroplex Championships, it was a final between Chase Robison and Jansen Allen. Chase was up 13-10 first game, right on Jansen's heels. So he's hungry. He's hungry for a victory over Jansen.
No. Referee called it down. Ethan thought he got it, but